Hi, welcome to the new video. Here we will see what is a unit step, how to perform the folding operation on the unit step, and what is the misconception which students will have in the folding of unit step or any other signal. So first let me draw what is a unit step. This is unit step u of t. Amplitude is 1 and signal is starting from origin. The folding operation of this unit step is u of minus t. T is getting replaced by minus t and it looks like this. It starts at 0 and it continues up to minus infinity. Here it continues up to plus infinity. It continues like this. So this everyone knows. In the operations also we have seen what is the folding operation on a unit step signal. Now take another example of unit step which is delayed by 1 unit. Now on this signal, that is unit step which is delayed by 1 unit, if we perform folding operation, how the signal looks like, whether it is like this, amplitude is 1, here also amplitude is 1, or whether it is minus 1, like this. Again amplitude is 1, but for our understanding I did not overlap the colors. So whether this is correct or this is correct, which is your u of minus of t minus 1. So here you have to identify what is the name of the signal again, and whether this graph which is in green color is correct or the one which is in red color is correct. So to avoid this confusion or to remove the misconception related to this folding of the unit step, I am doing this video. So here we will see how to draw a particular graph. So in this case, u of t, when t is replaced by minus t, it is getting folded. Similarly here in this case, u of t minus 1, so this complete t minus 1 term should be replaced by minus of t minus 1. So first write down that minus of t minus 1. So this will become what? U of 1 minus t. So now we are supposed to draw u of 1 minus t graph. So let us draw that here. Take a graph paper again, that is x-axis and y-axis. Here I am going to draw u of 1 minus t, which is nothing but the folding operation of u of t minus 1. So for this, what we have to do is we have to calculate the value at each and every time instant, where t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. T is equal to minus 1, minus 2, so on up to minus infinity. So let us substitute the values in this u of minus t after calculation. So first let me calculate the value. U of 1 minus, I will take t is equal to 0 first. So that will become u of 1 minus 0, that is u of 1. So according to the definition of unit step, what is u of 1? U of 0 is 1, u of 1 is 1, u of 2 is 1, so on up to infinity it is 1. So this will become 1. Take another value, t is equal to 1, that implies u of 1 minus 1, that is u of 0. This is also is equal to 1 according to the definition. U of 0 is equal to 1. Now take another value, that is next example 2. So this will become u of 1 minus 2, that is equal to u of minus 1. So according to the definition, what is u of minus 1 here? If you look at the graph, at minus 1 there is no sample, that means it is 0. So we got answer as 0. Similarly, if you go with t is equal to 3, u of 1 minus 3, that is equal to u of minus 2, which will also become 0 again. So for any value which is greater than 2, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 up to infinity, answer is going to become 0 only. So we will stop calculating at 3. So I have calculated at 0, 1, 2. From 3 onwards it is becoming 0. From 2 onwards it is becoming 0. And we will start in the negative axis now. So at t is equal to minus 1. That implies u of 1 minus of minus 1. It will become plus 1. So that is u of 2. So what is u of 2? It is 1. So we got 1. For negative value t is equal to minus 1, we got answer u of 2 is equal to 1. Take another sample, minus 2. That implies u of u of 1 plus 2, that is equal to u of 3. So u of 3 is also 1. Take another value, t is equal to minus 3, that implies u of 1 plus 3, that is equal to u of 4, that is also is equal to 1. So for what is the conclusion of? For all negative values from minus 1 onwards, we are getting always answer as 1. So substitute all these values here. At 0 we got 1. So point it here. At 1 we got 1 again. You can see here. At 0 we got 1. And at 1 we got 1. So draw that. At 2 we got 0. At 3 we got 0 and it continues. At minus 1 we got 1. At minus 2 we got 1. At minus 3 we got 1 and it continues. So just draw that graph. From where 0 we got 1, 1 we got 1, 2 it is 0. So here from 1 onwards. So this is the answer for u of 1 minus t. So in our example, that is in our assumption, whether this is correct or this is correct, this became correct now. So what is the misconception here is, we should not assume that signal is getting folded across the origin. In this case it is happening across the origin only. But in this case it will not happen across the origin, it will happen from where the sample is starting. So if it is starting at 1, it will fold here. If it is starting at 2, it will fold here. So that is how we will perform the folding operation.